If you're not getting GDI signups from your advertising, from your traffic, you need to take a look at this. This system converts. This system makes you the leader, and it has built-in traffic with it. Yes, I said built-in traffic. Okay, you get this is the capture page. You can see right here where they add their email to it. That is not the, this is the, we call it a bridge page, a landing page, a sales page. This does the selling and telling for you, is what it is. Now, this is the hit counts that we've had for this. We had over 30,000 hits sent this week alone to this system, and you can get a system like this set up for your GDI team when you join my team. Okay, so let's see, below is the weekly hit count, and I'm just saying that if you just joined and you're not going to have 1,000 hits or right away, don't worry about it. And that we got over 30,000 hits. I was a little late resetting the stats, so that's why it only shows 28,000. But switching to the branded rotator system with built-in traffic, we're actually seeing signups, not just opt-ins. And I'm really excited about this, guys. This isn't just another system. This isn't just an average team build. It's not your mother's team build, okay? When your team plugs in and starts using this, you benefit from receiving 1,000 weekly hits flowing through your system that you set up. And this is the system that I just showed you right here. This has 30 days worth of emails that go with it too. Okay, you're not just building a team, you're building real momentum. Now, being part of my rotator is great, but the real power happens when you duplicate this system for yourself. That's where you can start to see thousands of hits going to your own branded rotator system. So any place where you see my picture, my name, you replace that with your picture, your name. Right here, my picture, my name, you replace it, and your email address, you put your email because they're going to email you after they join. You have a rotator here with everybody that's sending hits to your page. Now, it's only 1,000 a week, so that leaves them plenty of room and time to be able to send traffic to their own duplicatable system. You see how huge this is? This is a game changer. Okay, so this is really important. Everyone anyone that uses this should be exploding their system. Now, it takes time, of course, to start bringing people in and start having everybody that you bring in sends 1,000 hits to your duplicatable, to your branded rotator system. Okay? This is not your average team build. Normally, all the traffic goes to one main page and you're left to send whatever leftovers you can get to your own personal page. But that's not the way this works. This system, you're the leader, you grow your list, you build your teams, you get your team signups from your rotator, from them sending traffic to your system. Someone joins through your system, their activity automatically grows your traffic too. Okay? I really encourage you, if you're thinking about GDI, you want this system. I have training on how to set it up. It's very simple. The only thing that takes time is setting up your email series, because you're going to have to set up a rotator. And then you're going to need to put your rotator in there and make sure your information is in there for the people to get back to. But once you're set up, you're golden. Then you just send traffic. This is set up for traffic exchanges and safe lists. This is great traffic. This is where team builds thrive in this kind of traffic. But this is a team build not like any other. Okay? So click the link below and get more information today. And if you decide to join, you can start your free 7-day trial and start getting your system set up. Okay, you will need an upgraded Leads Leap account. Alrighty, God bless and take care.